Hello everybody, my name is Tommy Fryer. I'm a representative with Golden Manufacturing, Golden Boat Lifts, and Golden Marine Systems. We want to welcome all of you to the 2020 Miami International Boat Show. We're going to take you in and give you a little booth tour, go over some new products that we're launching for 2020, and we hope you guys are excited to see this as we are to show it to you. Come on and follow me into the booth. For those of you guys that make your way out here to the 2020 International Miami Boat Show, or find yourselves coming in the immediate future, you can find Golden Boat Lifts in the E tent at booth E390. We don't have a boat or anything out there on the market that we can't lift, so come on down and see us. This year we've got a lot of new cool products for 2020 that we're debuting, and I'm going to give you guys just kind of a quick rundown, and we'll go through some of those products right now. Follow me. Okay, a lot of people are familiar, and for those of you who are not familiar, we have a hydraulic operated freestanding lift. It is in one of our lift lines that is called the Tornado Series. And with the Tornado Lift Series, we have this available in both AC and DC options. So that's the AC option is going to be something new for 2020. But for those of you guys that run into issues where permitting may be an issue, you can't have a fixed structure on your dock, this is the Lift Series that is what you're going to want to be after. Like I said, with this one, we have the ability to lift all the way from 2,000 pounds all the way up to 32,000 pounds currently. And we're going to be working on some bigger lifts coming out for 2021 as well. So stay tuned with that. One more new product that we're launching and featuring this year for 2020 is going to be our Glow Guide product. Now, originally we developed this Glow Guide product for nighttime navigation for first responders, but then general public caught word of what we were doing, and they said, why not make it available for the public for everybody else to see? So it's a really cool LED feature for those of you that do a lot of nighttime fishing, nighttime launching. If you've got low lit areas, these Glow Guides are a perfect application to light everything up and help guide you into your lift at a nighttime application. So that's one of the new products. If you guys want to follow me around here, we'll check out a couple more. One of the other new products we're really excited about launching this year is going to be the JS1500R. This is going to be our jet ski series lift, and this lift right here, this is a rotating swivel lift. So what happens is the jet ski, as you bring the jet ski up off the water, this lift gives you the ability to rotate and swing it back over your dock in a fixed position. It has a locking mechanism on the back to keep the hinge pinned so that the lift won't rotate when it's locked into place. It has optional LED features on it. This lift will come standard with the Golden Sea Drive 500 series, stainless steel motor. We're really excited to launch this this year. We also have a 1,400 pound standard hand crank version. If you don't want the electrical application and you're looking for just something manual, we've got you guys covered on all aspects here for the jet ski lift. So again, this is a new product. This is currently available now and in production. So you can call and order these today or contact your local dealer if you're interested in getting some pricing. Something that is not necessarily new, but has been on the market for about 5 years, is our Golden Kayak launch. What we've done is we've moved on to a new Gen 2 model where we've done a little bit of structural redesign, and we've kind of really beefed this thing up. So the model that you see here before you is going to be something new for 2020. It's the same platform and application. We've just changed a little bit of the engineering and the structural design to it. The Kayak launch is available in a standard 5-step version, a 7-step version. It comes standard with 34 inches of clear entry. We make an extra wide version at 43 inches of clear entry. And this is really popular right now with the fishing kayaks that are out on the market. These can be made customizable if you need something longer than a 7-step version. But for the guys that are into the Hobies and the big fishing setups, the Golden Kayak launch and the extra wide version is something that's going to be right up your market. It's going to give you the ease and convenience for launching in and out of the water. This is all T6 grade marine aluminum and all stainless steel hardware. It's got a 1,000 pound brake winch on it, and we currently have a weight capacity on this model at 250 pounds. So something really cool for the adventurer and the kayaker, and even little small canoes. This is a great application and a great product. We are known mostly for our cable drawn lift systems. Our Golden Sea Drive, this model right here is one of our 4-post versions. This is one of the most common boat lifts that we manufacture and have out there on the market. We have the ability with this to go all the way from 4,000 pounds up to our 8-post models, which can house up to 240,000 pounds. So when we get into lifting the big boats and the big yachts, it's typically a 4-pile and an 8-pile application. Our Golden Sea Drive, this is something we designed and manufactured here in the house. It's made in the USA. This gear drive boasts 8,000 inch-pounds of torque and this carries a 10-year warranty. This is the best drive unit you will find out there on the market. We do have 3 different versions of this drive, again, to accommodate all the different applications that are out there. If you don't need the big robust drive system, we offer it into the smaller 500 series for your jet ski lifts and your smaller application lifts. There's typically not anything that we can't configure or work with. So when it comes to manufacturing custom boat lift needs, Golden Boat Lifts has got you covered. There's not a better manufacturer out there that's gonna be able to take care of all the stuff that you need and that you have out there.
I'm Mike Shanley, I'm president of Golden Marine Systems, and I'd like to introduce you to some of our dock products. Here we have a typical floating dock section. This is a small little section for the show. It is utilizing our 6061 T6 aluminum extrusion. This is a double track system. The track system allows for adjustable cleats, pile guides, or finger piers. It's a very versatile dock system. This is a double track. It's a little heavier duty for bigger boats, 60 foot and bigger, but this is an awesome product. While we're here, I'd like to show you a new product we just introduced today to the public, and fortunately won an award. We won the 2020 Innovation Award here today at the Miami Boat Show for this product. This is the Dock Stabilizer. What this is a multi-level pile guide. It has rollers up high and rollers below. The rollers inside are all adjustable to give the dock stability. It'll also allow you to level the dock. So coming around here, I can show you just a little more of it, give you the insides of it, shows you all the different levels of rollers, which are what gives the dock its stability. It's the height, allows for the leverage. Now I'd like to show you some of our other products. Here we have a similar dock to the double track that I just showed you. This is a little lighter system. It's a single track. Still allows for the adjustable cleats, pile guides, and finger piers. All kinds of accessories can be placed on the dock. All we have to do is make the right bracket and you can put anything on you like. Moving on, here we have our gangway, a typical gangway. These are all, again, a 6061 T6 construction, heavy duty welded. They come with different decking as well as aluminum composite, hardwood decking. It has a transition plate, hinge plate, and a roller system. So I'll take you on to our next dock product, if you'll follow me. Here we have our concrete flotation system. This is a poly tub flotation system with a 5,000 PSI concrete, 4 inches deep. And some of the features, the patent pending features on this, it also has an aluminum whaler. Many of the like-kind docks have wood whalers, and as we know, wood doesn't last as long as aluminum. And also with the aluminum, you can torque down on the through rods much more than you can with wood. The system has the adjustable cleats, adjustable pile guides, and adjustable fingers. Here under this cover is a 12 by 12 utility trace. So you can easily lay down your utilities, and if need be, you can easily take up the cover for maintenance. This is another example of an innovative patent pending product by Golden.
One of the things here at Golden Boat Lifts is we have a complete line of different lift series, everything from a 4-post to a beamless to an elevator style. So depending on your application or your situation, it's going to depend on the style of lift that you choose. So a lot of people come to us and they tell us, well, I've got this big a boat and it weighs this much and it's this long. Well, really the applications of where you live and where this is going to be installed is really going to dictate the style of lift that you're going to be able to have. So our elevator lifts, especially down here on the East Coast in Miami and this area in particular, this is one of the more popular style lifts. This is probably the easiest lift to get on and off of outside of our cantilever hydraulic lift. The elevator lift, again, we can boast capacities all the way from 3,000 pounds from a single track to a 3,000 pound dual track. And we have the ability to go all the way up to 60,000 pounds currently with our elevator style lifts. Multiple bunking options for you guys that are out there. Accessories, walkways that can be added. We take a lot of pride in our manufacturing process. We take a lot of pride in making sure that these boat lifts are operated safely. So we do things like winder covers, cable keepers, things like that that make it more user-friendly and easier for maintenance. You don't have to worry about somebody's fingers getting caught up or a bird nesting in there. Things like the cable keepers that prevent the cables from being able to jump over. Our owner, Bill Golden, has been very influential and very innovative in the design that he's put into these products. And again, you won't find a more robust, more overbuilt, better boat lift on the market than what you see here. And if you guys want, I'll take you on over to our 3K single track elevator now. For those of you who have the PWCs and you're looking for another motorized option where you can either do a single jet ski, a dual jet ski, or even a small vessel at this point, our 3K single track lift, again, retrofitted with the Golden 500 Series C drive, Lexan winder covers, cable keepers, can be mounted with a deck system on it, can be mounted with aluminum bunks. This is going to be your best option for those of you who have really small craft, under 3,000 pounds, looking for something user-friendly that doesn't take up a bunch of dock space, easy to install. This is going to be the application that you want to go with here. And again, our lifts are so customizable that the bunks can be removed, custom platforms can be put on top. It's one of the great things that we can integrate on these products. So this is another really cool product, not new for 2020, but some of the features that have been upgraded on it are new for 2020. And then lastly, I'm going to take you guys over to our Beamless Series lift. And this is our Golden 500 Series. This lift line here is called our Gatorvator Series. So this lift is designed and set up to be a single head drive and motor unit on a single pile. We have the ability to do this in a couple of different configurations. We have both a 2-motor configuration and we have a 4-motor configuration. One of the advantages with that 4-motor configuration, it gives you the ability to independently level the boat on all 4 corners. The reason that this lift series is real popular, a lot of people are big about aesthetics. They don't want to see a traditional pile mounted top beam lift where they've got these big beams that are in the way of their view or in the way of them boarding the vessel. So this is another lift line series we offer to overcome some of those solutions of aesthetic issues or things being in your way, to minimize what's being taken up deck space wise and on your dock. So again, we've taken safety and ease of convenience and maintenance and preventative issues, things like the Lexan winder covers, again, the cable keepers. These are things that we feature. On some of the head mounts, we have the ability to add, it's almost like a truck bed liner. It's going to be a Line-X overcoat. We have the ability to do this in aluminum and stainless steel mounting. Again, all the manufacturing is done with all aluminum and stainless steel hardware, so we like to set the bar high, and everything that we're throwing at you guys, this stuff is built to last. So in 30 years from now, I want you to be swinging by this booth and tell me how happy you are with that Golden product, and believe it or not, I get that a lot here at this. So I think that pretty much has covered a lot of the new products that we're introducing here for 2020. Please stay in touch with us, follow us on our YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We're always updating with our new content that's coming out. We got some new stuff that we're going to be working on and introducing later this year for the fall of 2020, and we'll be debuting some of that stuff at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. But right now, I just wanted to give you guys a good overview of everything that we carry here in our product. It's a really big line. We have a lot of different lift series, and based on it being internationally based, it's presented us with a lot of different lift challenges, and that's why we have so many lines and so many different series, because we've had to overcome a lot of obstacles out there in the field. And again, that's why a lot of marinas, a lot of residential and commercial people, they come to us for their lift needs and for their custom applications, because they know that we can get this done. So I just want to thank everybody for joining us, for coming out and taking a look at our booth, all the new products we got for 2020. We're excited to have you. Don't forget to like the video, give it a share, follow us on our social media, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in 2021. Thank you so much.